Hello and Assalamualaikum. We are from Group 4 and this is just a short video as our introduction before we start to present the contents for Project 1 ACC407. In this video, it shows that we were having a discussion virtually through Google Meet where we were discussing about which business to be interviewed for this assignment. Everyone managed to give some suggestion on which business to be interviewed, but some of them doesn't meet the assignment requirements, which is to ensure that we get to interview either a sole proprietorship business or a partnership business. Then, one of the group members, which is Hazira, gave a suggestion that can be considered, which is a legal service business or a law firm, which she knows about, and it is a sole proprietorship business as well. The group members then all agree on the business to be interviewed, which is Akmar & Co, and Hazira have volunteered to meet the founder herself.
Goodbye!
Assalamualaikum, my name is Nubatisha Betisharumenawa. In this video, I'm going to show you guys about sole proprietorship business in Malaysia, which my team members and I choose it. The business is law firm named Akmar & Co and it operates under the Legal Service Center. As a professional legal firm, it offers a wide range of services including legal consultation, documentation, litigation, convention for sale and purchase agreement, corporate agreement, and probate and administration matters. The first located at Dataran Palma, Ampang, Selangor, which is a strategic location close to Kuala Lumpur and easily accessible to both individual and corporate clients. Its professional office setting reflects the credibility and seriousness of the business. Akmar & Co was established in the year 2000 and it began with initial capital at 15,000 fully funded by the owner. Since it is a sole proprietorship, the owner bears full responsibility for the business, including decision making, finance, and legal compliance. This structure allows for greater flexibility but also places a lot of responsibility on the individual running the firm. Over the years, the firm has served not only the private client but also corporate and government entities, showing that it's earned trust in the legal industry. It serves our talent to meet the needs of a diverse range of clients, from individual buying their first home to companies needing legal documentation or representation.
Hi and Assalamualaikum, my name is Natasha Betioma. So now we move on to the business characteristic of Akmar & Co. The firm operates in the legal and professional services industry, which is the highly specialized field. In this industry, credibility, trust, and compliance with legal standards are absolutely essential. Legal firms like this one play a crucial role in supporting both individuals and businesses in navigating complex legal matters, ensuring contracts are properly managed, and representing clients in various legal processes. The business model adopted by Akmar & Co is a service-based. This means that the firm earns revenue by offering professional legal services rather than selling product. What's unique about Akmar & Co is the customized nature of their services. They do provide one-size-fits-all solution instead. They tailor their legal support to fit specific needs of their clients. Their clients range from individual citizens to large corporations and even government entities. This level of flexibility and professionalism give them a competitive edge in their niche market. In terms of the scale of operating, Akmar & Co is considered a small to medium-sized law firm, but it is steadily growing. What is impressive is the quality of client they have. The firm has managed to secure a place as a legal service provider for major institutions such as Samara, LPPSA, RHB Bank, and Rista. This clearly reflects that firm's expanding reputation and its ability to deliver reliable legal services at a professional level. Another key characteristic is their partnership experience. Akmar & Co. has been officially appointed by several public and private organizations to provide legal services. Being selected as a partner firm is a significant achievement in the legal industry, as it shows a high level of credibility, trust, and recognition. It also suggests that the firm meets strict selection criteria, including legal expertise, experience, consistency, and reliability in handling legal matters.
Hi and Assalamualaikum. My name is Nofarawadina. Now I will explain the classification of business item, which refers to how the business financial components are grouped into 5 main categories, which is asset, liabilities, capital, revenue, and expenses. Let's start with asset. Assets are things the business owns or use to operate and generate income. For Akmar & Co., examples include office equipment like computers and printers, receivables, which are payment expected from clients, office premise, and legal database or software license, which help with legal research and document management. Next is liabilities. Liabilities are what the business owes to others. This includes office rent, which is paid monthly, professional indemnity insurance premium, which protect the firm against legal claim, and taxes payable, which are obligation to the government. Now, moving to the capital. Capital represents the owner's stake in the business. For Akmar & Co., this includes the initial and additional investment made by the founder to start and grow the firm. It also includes retained earnings, which are profits from legal service that are not withdrawn, but kept in the business to support its operation and expansion. Then we have revenue, which is the income the business earns. For Akmar & Co., revenue means come from legal service such as consultation, preparing agreements, litigation, and company secretarial service. Finally, expenses. These are the day-to-day costs needed to operate the business. They include salaries for clerks, utility bills, insurance costs, and office supplies used to support operation. By organizing this item clearly, the firm can better manage its finance and prepare accurate accounting reports.
Hello and Assalamualaikum. My name is Hini Hazir Helmi, and now I will explain the typical process in a law firm like Akmar & Co., which is how the business records its transactions. First is the client consultation. If the firm charges a consultation fee, they will issue an invoice to the client and record it as income. They will also note the client's details and the type of service. Next is the engagement stage. Once the client agrees to continue, an agreement is signed and a client file is opened. If the client pays a deposit, this is recorded as trust money. It is not revenue yet because the service hasn't been completed. Then comes the service delivery stage. As the lawyer starts the work like drafting documents, attending court, or doing land searches, the firm may record the time spent if the billing is by hour, some costs like court fees or land office charges, and internal costs such as photocopying or transport. These are tracked so they can be billed to the client later. After that, any disbursements which are payments made on behalf of the client are also recorded. For example, if the firm pays stamp duty for the client, this is listed as a reimbursable expense. Once the job is done or reaches a certain stage, the firm will issue an invoice. This includes the legal fees and any extra charges. At this point, the amount is added to accounts receivable, which means the firm is waiting for payment. When the client pays, it is recorded as cash received. If they had paid a deposit earlier, the money is moved from the trust account to revenue when the service is completed. Every month, the firm also records business expenses like salaries, EPF, SOCSO, utilities, and office rent. These are recorded under operating expenses in the income statement. Finally, at the end of each month or year, the firm prepares financial reports like the income statement and balance sheet to check its profit, capital, and also retained earnings.
Hi and Assalamualaikum. My name is Fatin Amina Sofia. Now we discuss about the strength and weakness of Akmar & Co as a sole proprietorship business. So I will start with strength. One of the most notable strength is that the firm are likely to follow a standard professional bookkeeping practice, which are very important for any legal service provider. Keeping accurate and detailed record help to ensure legal compliance and financial transparency. Another strength is that the business have a clear source of revenue, mainly from a legal service such as conveying, litigation, consultation, and corporate advisor. This provide a very stable and predictable income stream, especially with a repeat client or a panel appointment from institution. Akmar & Co also show a very strong risk management. For example, it use a very professional indemnity insurance which will protect the firm and against any potential legal claim. This is essential in the legal industry and ensure that the firm are operating responsibly. Additionally, because of the nature of legal work, document and client information are most likely to securely stored and well documented. This is a basic expectation in the legal field, and it will exchange the firm professional and gain a lot of client trust. And now I will go to one of the weakness of Akmar & Co, which is while the firm are likely to keep a proper record, it may still rely on semi-manual accounting process, especially since there are no mention of using advanced digital system. This can lead to human error or delay in financial reporting. Another potential weakness is the lack of dedicated accounting or use of modern accounting software. Without this, financial efficiency and accuracy might be affected, especially as the business grow and handle a lot more of clients. Cash flow management might also be a quite challenge, as a legal firm often face delay payment from client, especially when dealing with the litigation or government-related work. This can affect the firm's ability to cover monthly expenses on time. And lastly, there are no mention of any digital financial integration such as automated invoicing or e-wallet payment, which are increasing common and expected in today's business environment. Without this tool, the business might miss opportunity to streamline the operation and improve the client experience.